Clinical criteria for the severity of the MS, there are two criteria and they are related to each other. So these criteria is, you have to understand this basic, that is the opening snap. You should know the fundamental of the opening snap. What is the fundamental of the opening snap? Opening snap is due to a high pressure opening of the mitral valve and suddenly it stop. So high pressure opening of mitral valve and suddenly it stop, and when it suddenly stop it vibrate. That vibration is known as the opening snap. So what happens if we look at this diagram? This is S2 and this is opening snap S1. So this is the opening snap which is due to the high pressure opening of the mitral valve. So what will happen if MS is severe? Obviously increased left atrial pressures, more increase in the left atrial pressure. So left atrial pressure will be much more, double arrow increase. And when the pressure is severely high, so what will happen? Mitral valve will open. Obviously, if the left atria pressure is high, so it will open its mitral valve rapidly and early. That means opening snap early. Opening snap will be early. So that means that this opening snap will come early like this. So as the severity increase, you can very well see in this diagram, the distance between S2 and opening snap reduces. So it means S2 opening snap gap is inversely related to severity. Inversely related to the severity. What does that mean? That means if the gap is less, severity is more. Or other way around, if gap is more, severity is less. Severity is less. And explanation for this is this statement. Whenever LA pressures are very high, they will open the valve early and opening snap will be much early. While the murmur start from the opening snap. So in this diagram you can see the murmur start after the opening snap comes like this. So if the opening snap is coming early, the murmur will also start early, and you can see the duration of the murmur increase, length of the murmur will increase if the opening snap is coming earlier. So that is related to the first criteria only, and that is length of this diastolic murmur, length of murmur of MS is directly related to severity. Length of the murmur is directly related to the severity. So this is the very important conceptual aspect of the MS. As a medical student, you might not appreciate this distance or the length of the murmur, but it is an important viva question. It is an important viva question. Now come to the investigations of